Good day everyone. Let's try to answer somewhat problem posted on Facebook. And special credits to Master Steve Hatt for sharing this wonderful question. So let's start. Here's the question. Solve for x. And here's the equation. Now if you want to try this problem, just pause this video. And if you're ready, here's the solution. To answer this equation, we will use some laws of exponent to simplify the left-hand side and the right-hand side. Now, for the right-hand side, if we have the mth root of b raised to n, this is equal to b raised to n over m. Therefore, the right-hand side becomes 10 raised to x over 16. And the left-hand side looks like this. Why is that? Recall that the square root of b is equal to b raised to 1/2. And the square root of b is equals to b raised to 1/4. And the square root of the square root of the square root of b is equals to b raised to 1 over 8, and so on and so forth. That's why the first 100 factorial is raised to 1/2 because it is under the first square root. Now the second 100 factorial is raised to 1/4 because it is under by the 2 square root, and so on and so forth. So the third is raised to 1/8, the fourth is raised to 1 over 16. So we do the same thing in the denominator. Next, we will use some laws of exponent again to simplify the left-hand side. So if we have b raised to n multiplied by b raised to m, this is equal to b raised to n plus m. Therefore, we have 100 factorial raised to 1/2 plus 1/4 plus 1/8 plus 1 over 16. We do the same thing in the denominator. Now, if we get the sum of 1/2 plus 1/4 plus 1/8 plus 1 over 16, we get 15 over 16. So our equation now becomes 100 factorial raised to 15 over 16 all over 99 factorial raised to 15 over 16 is equal to 10 raised to x over 16. Next, using some laws of exponent again, so if we have a raised to n all over b raised to n, this is equivalent to the quantity a over b raised to the power of n. Therefore, the left-hand side becomes 100 factorial over 99 factorial raised to 15 over 16. Now recall that n factorial is equal to n multiplied by n minus 1 factorial. Therefore, we can rewrite 100 factorial as 100 multiplied by 99 factorial. Therefore, we can cancel out 99 factorial and we will end up with 100 raised to 15 over 16. Now, take note that 100 is equal to 10 raised to 2. So, this becomes 10 raised to 2 times 15 over 16, or simply 30 over 16. Now, we have the equation 10 raised to 30 over 16 is equal to 10 raised to x over 16. Since the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side, this x must be equal to 30. Therefore, x is equal to 30, and we're done.